In this video, I'm going to show you how to change transaction date in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you want to do, go to the left here and then hover over Accounting, and you want to go to Bank Transactions. Now, in here, you want to find a transaction you want to change the date of. So I'm just going to go to Checking over here, and then, of course, here you can see there's a bunch of different ones. I'm going to go to a Bank Register, so you want to click on that, and that's going to open your bank register. And then in here, you want to find the transaction you want to change the date of. So for example, I'm just going to use this first one, and you simply want to click on it. Now, when you do so, as you can see, it's going to allow you to edit. You could either manually type in your date, or you could click on this calendar and change it from here. So I'm just going to change this from 27th of April to, for example, 25th of April. Then you want to click on the save button over here, and just like this, you'll see that it says transaction saved and the date has now been changed over here. So that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.